Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to be talking about the Pixel 5a. And yeah, we are just on the brink of the Pixel 6a coming out. And I've been doing some extensive coverage on the Pixel 5a and just kind of giving you guys my thoughts as I continue to use the device in rotation with other devices that I have. The Pixel 5a got to be pretty solid. Yeah, there are some caveats to it. Basically, the cameras more in depth would be actually just video with the phone itself. It will heat up pretty quickly. But I do have to say this, that even though that is a caveat to the Pixel 5a, it is still a joy to use. The device handles everything that I throw at it. Regardless, there's not really much of a difference between using the Pixel 5a and my Pixel 6. All apps work just tremendously well, and the performance is just outstanding. It's hard to really believe that this phone is a $449 phone compared to the other Pixels that have gone at $799 or even $699. This phone being at basically $450, it performs very well. But I think some of the big key things here that really draws me to the Pixel 5a, and it's just like any other A series device, it has a headphone jack. I do have headphones that wire plug in, and so it allows me to basically use those. Aside from that, the cameras are absolutely amazing on this thing. It does a fairly good job at taking photos, and I'll have some samples here for you guys to look at. But you can see what I'm shooting, and it's got this nice balance to it that when you kind of tilt the angle, it kind of gives you a slight little rumble to let you know that you're off-centered or you're imbalanced on your shots. So it really does make a great big difference to help you get those really nice photos if that's what you're very into, especially if you're just like an amateur photographer who likes to shoot things for Instagram and other social platforms. This is definitely going to be key. And all I'll say this, the Pixel 5a is a outstanding phone. Every phone has its caveats, every phone has its ups and downs. The Pixel 5a has very few, but a lot to be excited for, a lot to really look at this thing and say, hey, why not? If you don't feel like spending like $1,000 on a phone, Pixel 5a, you'll find that to be absolutely refreshing. Thanks for checking out my video, and as always, aloha.